A good stretch for the chest that we've been having some success with clients is the suspension trainer Doorframe. So a great way to hit the chest and a little bit of the front delt as well. So you want to set your suspension trainer to about a standard length. Doesn't really matter too much exactly, just as long as you've got enough room to extend your arms. So what we want to do is stand between the trainer, overhand grip, and then all we want to do is hold our arms out in like a crucifix position, maybe slightly higher, your hands slightly higher than shoulder height, and then walk forward slowly until eventually the slack gets taken and we can lean into that stretch. And what I do suggest is take one step forward and lean your weight onto that front leg instead, and helps your muscles relax as your leg can take the weight of your body, so you can really lean into that stretch. If you need to, adjust the height of your hands until you find where it hits best for you, and just hold it there for about 20 seconds.